Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up collection pages on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it into your account. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then click on Themes. After that, click on the Customize button next to your current theme. Once the editor opens, look at the left side and select on Add section. From the list, choose Collection List. This will let you display multiple collections on your home page or any other page. Now, on the right side, under the Collection section, click on Select. Then, click on Create Collection to make a new one. Here, enter a title for your collection like Summer Collection or New Arrivals. Below that, you can write a description to explain what kind of products are in this collection. Next, choose the collection type. You can pick Manual to add products yourself or Automated Smart Collection to add products based on rules like tax or price. Once you are done, click Save from the bottom right corner. Now, go back to the customization page and select for your new collection like Summer Collection and select it to display on your store. That's it, your collection page is now set up and ready to show your products in groups. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.